Soups, smoothies, sauces, and more. You can do all these with a hand blender, and compared to a traditional blender, they're a lot more convenient. All you need to do is stick it into your pan or bowl, and away you go. Hand blenders take up less space in your kitchen and create less washing up. A lot of today's hand blenders are much more than just a stick. They're mini food processor and whisks, replacing more than one appliance. A blender needs to be powerful, but not too loud, needs to offer versatility and be reliable. With these criteria in mind, we have studied and tested the best hand blenders out there. Welcome to another video from my review channel. We are going to compare the best 5 hand blenders available today. Our experts look for the best options in each category and in each price range. We present them in no particular order. After testing and choosing the best ones, we explain them to you so you can choose the one that best meets your needs. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. We make this reviews together, so if there is anything we are missing, please comment below and we will check it. Now let's get into the video. First on our list, we have the Braun MQ77 MultiQuick 7-hand blender. Want to elevate your cooking creativity to new heights? Well, that's not impossible when you have Braun's Smart Speed Hand Blender, the global leader in hand blenders. The MultiQuick 7-hand blender features the patented Smart Speed technology for faster and finer blending. Braun's revolutionary Smart Speed technology allows you to modify blending speeds without interruption by simply adjusting hand pressure. The unlock button is perfect for family use. Now you can prep meals easier with a soft grip trigger resting comfortably in your hand. You are in control of the blending speed without interruption by simply applying more or less hand pressure. Designed for performance, the patented Power Bell system works magic on complex blends while offering less suction. So pureed mixtures stay where they belong, in the beaker, mixing bowl, or stock pot. No mess, no more stress, just easy, convenient food prep by a tool that you're sure to use every day for all of your culinary tasks. Braun provides extra light simple activation and anti-splash design to ensure a spotless kitchen. For more, the slip-proof ergonomic grip gives comfort food a whole new meaning. You can chop vegetables, whip up fluffy egg whites, puree soups, and mash creamy potatoes. The MultiQuick 7-hand blender, a beaker, whisk, 6-cup food processor, and masher that give you the flexibility to add fresh twists to your favorite dishes. Fruit and vegetables are cut into French fry shapes thanks to disc included with food processor accessory. Following in our list, we have Kenwood Tri-Blade HTP406WH hand blender, best for quality results. The Kenwood hand blender offers a unique tri-blade concept that delivers powerful, efficient, and controllable blending at the touch of a button. The 3-blade system is aligned with a unique foot design that disrupts the flow of ingredients for chopping and blending as efficiently as possible. With 11 functions to help you in the kitchen, from blending and chopping to mixing and soup blending, this hand blender will become your most versatile tool in the kitchen. A powerful 380-watt motor ensures that it can handle even the toughest ingredients in the kitchen. The one-touch, easy operation with turbo function leaves you in control with simplicity and one-handed control. The Kenwood hand blender comes with a variety of attachments to help you with all of your kitchen tasks, from blending and chopping to mixing and soup blending. Comes with a stainless steel tri-blade wand, a mini chopper perfect for chopping small amounts of ingredients, and a calibrated 25-ounce beaker with quality storage lid. For more, the 3 stainless steel blades are positioned at 3 different angles for maximum cutting coverage. They work with a uniquely designed foot to disrupt the flow of ingredients to chop and blend your ingredients efficiently. The tri-blade is designed to be comfortable to use. The one-touch controls and handles are coated with Sure Grip to rest safely and comfortably in your hand. It is also dishwasher safe. Following in our list of the best 5 hand blenders, we have KitchenAid Artisan Cordless Hand Blender, best for speedy and versatile use. One of the leading brands for a good quality kitchen appliance is the KitchenAid, who makes home kitchen appliances since 1919. This KitchenAid cordless hand blender is a good option if you want versatile and easy to use kitchen blender. This hand blender is a rechargeable 12-volt lithium-ion battery with just as powerful as corded hand blender and delivers premium performance, optimal runtime, and durability. The KitchenAid Pro Line series is the industry's first interchangeable bell blade assemblies, offers great versatility. It has 3 interchangeable bell blade assemblies that allow you to easily crush ice, puree soup, froth milk, and so much more. The options are endless for blending, chopping, whipping, shredding, frothing, or pureeing ingredients all with one appliance. With 5 attachments, you can have 5 speed options, comes equipped with all the tools you need, and offers the flexibility to use it wherever you need it in the kitchen. To add more, the removable 8-inch and 13-inch stainless steel blending arms each are locked into the motor body for easy operation. Blending arms of different lengths ensure that you can thoroughly blend ingredients in deeper pots or pitchers. The hand blender is equipped with thermal protection from high operating temperatures. It's easy, and the soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip. The included whisk attachment whips creams and egg whites to fluffy peaks. So if you're looking for kitchenware and accessories perfect for travel and entertainment, well, you had this one good option. Following in our list of the best 5 hand blenders, we have VonShef 800-watt 3-in-1 hand blender, best for smooth and efficient mini chopper. VonShef continued to provide safe and quality products within the hearts of every family. To introduce one of their best, VonShef 3-in-1 hand blender is an extremely multifunctional device that performs the functions of several other bulky kitchen appliances in a single, compact unit. It has an ergonomically designed grip and 2 speed settings to suit the ingredients and attachment, ensuring it will fit perfectly into any kitchen or home. Rest assured, all the other attachments are dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is as easy as the appliance is to use, leaving you more time doing and less time cleaning. The blender attachment is great for combining liquid ingredients for sauces, soups, fruit juices, or milkshakes, or even for pureeing soft ingredients for making baby food. The chopper attachment features an extremely sharp stainless steel blade, which makes short work of anything from nuts and fruit to dicing onions or finely chopping herbs. Finally, the egg whisk turns this versatile appliance into a baker's best friend, whipping cream and egg whites for cakes or desserts in a fraction of the time and with none of the elbow grease. It includes a 500 milliliter food processor bowl, 500 milliliter beaker, egg whisk, and stainless steel chopper, 1.2 meter cable. Lastly, the last and one of the best 5 hand blenders is the Dualit 700-watt hand blender, best for value and all-around use. The Dualit 400-watt hand blender is an all-around kitchen assistant that makes light work of everyday culinary tasks. The 400-watt multitasker takes on chopping, pureeing, and whisking with seamless speed. This Dualit's Vortex multidimensional mixing action unites with patented anti-suction technology to maximize blending efficiency and give you ultimate control. With an ergonomic grip that sits perfectly in your hand and an anti-scratch wand foot that preserves the non-stick on your best pans. Dualit's new patented anti-suction wand ensures you have ultimate control and maneuverability with up to a 100% reduction in suction. This means your hand blender won't grip the bottom of the pan. You can have total peace of mind for your best non-stick pans with the anti-scratch wand foot. It has 400 watts of power with a variable speed control 9,000 rotations per minute to 16,000 rotations per minute and a turbo function for even quicker chopping, purifying, and liquidizing power. This was the last one. To sum up, these are the blender we reviewed today. Are you ready to buy any of these? Look at the text below. We have looked for the best offers out there for all of them. Help us spread the voice. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Together, let us build a growing community. We are looking forward to your comments to improve this review. If you have other products you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts in each area are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.